Remember that? Now we're gonna go over to something vintage. This one is just finished, homemade CD player. Here it is. It is the Pioneer SA-610 Stereo Amplifier. It's built in 1979, so it's pretty old. It's 30 years old. It has a nice watt meter here, which is an LCD fluorescent display. I'm sorry. Controls speakers, bass, treble, power, headphone jack, subsonic 15Hz switch, tone on and off switch, power indicator, label, loudness switch, tape 2 selector, monitor, function, tuner, phono tape aux, balance, and volume. It's a really nice unit. As we look inside, you can already see, as we take a look through the vent, you can already see a big transformer and filter capacitors right there. We're not gonna take it apart now. Instead, we're gonna... Oh, this thing is heavy. This thing is heavy. See, there's the power cord, speaker outputs, line inputs. You have tape 2, rack and play, phono tuner aux, and tape 1, rack and play, and your phono ground, of course. See, and you have speakers A and speakers B, left and right, really nice. A fuse and a hole. There used to be some outlets, but I modified it. I also had to rewire the speaker terminals, because there was a couple of wires that were broken. So this thing is heavy. There we go. Now let's turn it on. As you can see, the nice display already turns on, and it's now ready for use. Let's turn it to aux. Oh, and by the way, let's look on that nice indicator as we turn these switches. It's a nice switch here. Now we're gonna play a CD. I'm gonna use these nice JMO speakers on my ceiling. There's the other one to play the music. Let's go. Turn the loudness on. See, tone control works. Let's use another song. This one sucks. And by the way, turn some bass. Now watch this when I turn it up. As we turn the speakers up, we can do it really loud. See? But it's a bit loud for now. There we go. We got balance. The input selector here. Tape 2 monitor. But it's a bit leaky. You can hear it coming through. And speakers off. A or B. Bass, treble, but we can also turn it back to flat, subsonic, that's an LED. So that's my Pioneer SA-610.